G'day guys, it is Ben here from Hunt the Night. Now, what we're going to do today is something a little bit different. Well, it's not different. It's just is what it is. And I'm going to try and talk through this because I've put this video together and now I'm adding the audio. I don't normally do it like that, but I couldn't record the audio while I was doing this because I was... Anyway, what we're going to do is a better way of zeroing the HIKMICRO Thunder series of scopes. As you know, they don't come with a one-shot zero system like they do others. So we're going to use a different system in this. It's called trajectory. Trajectory is really kind of used for measuring holdover, and it's separate to our reticle system. Now, as you can see here, I've got a reticle and it's 0 and 0. I'm going to go ahead now and take my 3-shot group. And I've shot to the bottom left-hand corner. A little black dot down there. I'm going to go now into trajectory. Now, what you don't see in here when I do this is you aren't going to see the second reticle. For some reason, it doesn't record. So we open up this trajectory screen and we're going to put the reticle on our point of aim. Okay. And when we get that set, I'm doing this from a tripod and it's a little bit jerky. When we get it set, we can now move the second reticle, and it would be moving now and you would actually see it. You can't see it now because it's just not recording through the app. And what we've done is we've measured it and placed it on that bottom left hand corner, and you can see we get a -12 and +20 in our X and Y's. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that information and we're going to go back into our reticle system here. Now, I know this is a little bit of fiddling around, but it's actually easier than trying to do it, the kind of traditional way. And when we square this reticle back up into our point of aim, and this would be so much easier from a bench or a bipod or something like that. I've really just got this scope attached to a tripod, and it's not the best tripod for what we're doing. So we're going to get this squared up, and now we're going to use those same coordinates. So we're going to have the +20, and then we're going to go -12 once I get it right. And as you can see, I'm now moving my reticle over to where I'd measure it using the trajectory functionality. Now, you have to refine it, but that's a much, much quicker way of getting a one-shot zero on the HIKMICRO Thunder system. Hope that was useful, guys, and I'll talk to you again.